Good afternoon. My name is Maria Teresa Martinez y Corro. I am studying in UNADEM, and this is a work for the object Inglés Básico en Nutrición. Where is located the cerebellum? The cerebellum is located behind the dorsal aspect of the pons and the medulla, under the cerebral hemispheres. Where is located the heart? The heart is behind the sternum and in front of the spine. Where the lungs are respect to the heart? The lungs are one on each side of the heart, one lung next to the right side and the other next to the left side. Where is the heart respect to the liver? The heart is above the liver. Where are the parietal glands? The parietal glands are located on both sides of the face, in front and under the ears. Where is located the liver? The liver is located in the upper right part of the abdomen below the diaphragm. Where is the gallbladder respect to the liver? The liver is located behind the ribs and the gallbladder is located under the liver. In female anatomy, where is the urinary bladder? The urinary bladder is located inside the pelvis below the peritoneal cavity. Thank you for listening. Good afternoon.